Today I'm going to be showing my application called mouse-jiggler. It's something that I use to keep my session active whenever I'm running a task, that takes a long time and I just don't want my computer falling asleep. So yeah, let's go ahead and run it. And so here's what it looks like, and it's a very simple user interface where we can just set the time here. So we can set the default's 30 seconds, but we can set it, let's do 5 seconds for the demo. And then we just hit start, and we'll see here it says, next move, and it starts counting down. And it moves the mouse just a little bit there. So I'm, hands off the mouse here, and we'll watch it jiggle it once more. And the running time here counts up until the stop button is pressed. So here we'll let it jiggle once more, and then we're just gonna stop it here. But yeah, so I've shared this code on GitHub. So if you want this on your computer, you can just go ahead and pull it from there, but I'll also be sharing it and the link in the description so that you can download the Python script and run it. Thanks for watching.